You can feel it through the soles of your feet. 4 Olympus engines, 1 enormous delta wing. Costs £38,500 a week to run, and you do most of that by your donations. Kev Rumans is your captain today. Ladies and gentlemen, Vulcan XH558. Get on your feet. It doesn't get any better.
So beautiful, isn't it?
Two Lancasters of all, the best in aerobatics.
Phil Miles wants to know why it's camouflage on the bottom. I'm expecting to land it upside down. They never were in circles. They've only got camo plate left. Camo plate. That's what we wanted to hear. That's a proper flag. That's what we wanted to hear. That would be brilliant, wouldn't it?
Ladies and gentlemen, there's an optimist down here who thinks it's doing a touch and go. I assure you it's not the case. Aerobatic. Ladies and gentlemen, Kev Rumans and the crew flying. Put your hands together. Now we have to give it 3 minutes or so to allow the wake turbulence to go down, and that gives me plenty of time to turn to John Connolly here. Jock, it says in your logbook you flew XH558 5 times. You're a pilot of that magnificent aeroplane and ones like it. What does it mean seeing the Vulcan today?
It takes me back 25 years when I flew that aircraft It just makes your heart stop and you hear on the back of your neck rise up.
Powerful aeroplane, mostly fighter, not really a bomber at all, very responsive.
Once you get above 40,000 feet,